Mount Judah looms over the north end of Donner Lake. Well, Nala, do you want to hike to the summit? We'll begin on the Pacific Crest Trail. Turn onto the summit loop and return on the Pacific Crest Trail. Nala's always ready for a hike. Donner Pass averages over 34 feet of snow each winter. Looming over I-80, this landmark is an ancient volcano. Many small lakes adorn the Donner summit area. There's a train tunnel deep beneath us. We're hiking through Sugar Bowl, one of the first ski resorts in the state. Aha, the trail to the summit. You can just make out Donner Lake and Truckee. There are two peaks at the top of the mountain. We're at the summit. Time for a little rest. That's North Star California Resort on the horizon. Back on the Pacific Crest Trail. It took 10 oxen to haul Pioneer wagons up the steep slope. Oh no, resting again? It was a tough climb, but Nala and I had a gratifying adventure. We appreciate you. Please subscribe. Want more information? Go to hikingthegolden state.com.